Today, I'll show you how to drop a pin on Google Maps. Dropping a pin is useful when you want to mark an exact location, especially if the place does not have a clear address. You can use it to save a meeting point, share a location, mark a parking spot, or get directions to a specific area. First, open the Google Maps app on your phone. Make sure location services are turned on if you want Google Maps to show your current location. Now find the place where you want to drop the pin. You can search for an address, move around the map manually, or zoom in to a specific street, building, park, or open area. Once you find the exact spot, tap and hold on the map. After a moment, Google Maps will drop a red pin on that location. At the bottom of the screen, you will see the location details. From here, you can choose what to do with the pin. Tap Directions if you want Google Maps to guide you to that spot. Tap Save if you want to keep the pinned location in one of your saved lists. Tap Share if you want to send the location to someone through messages, email, or another app. You can also tap the location details to see coordinates, nearby places, and more options. If the pin is not in the right place, simply tap a different spot on the map and hold again. Google Maps will move the pin to the new location. On a computer, the process is similar. Open Google Maps in your browser, click the exact spot on the map, and a pin will appear. Then you can save, share, or get directions from the location card. And that's it. You now know how to drop a pin on Google Maps. Hope the tutorial was helpful, subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.